Hello, traders. It's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is May the 16th on a Friday. Quick look at the market. Boy, I thought we'd see a little bit of a pullback yesterday. Pretty much ended up flat on the day. We could see some sideways action, but boy, this market is definitely being bid. Typically, after a move like we've seen yesterday when we went to lows, I thought there'd be some follow through, but still remaining very strong, being bid. Let's dive in, take a look at some setups. There's a couple of cheap stocks on the books today that I think you should keep an eye on. AKBA, I kind of like this earnings the other day. It looks like gapped up to around, 286, has pulled back. Look how it's catching that 10-period moving average and had a nice little pop yesterday. So looking for a break above this high. That would be 261 would be the trigger there in AKBA. WRD, this one is one. It has a little personality. I've been in this for a while, but I'm kind of scalping and keeping a core position and scalping around it. But look how you have these, nice volume bars, then consolidates and digest for about 3 days, and then another push on this day with a nice volume. Looking for maybe some action today after 3 days of kind of pulling back. Looking for another pop here. Trigger on this was 925. Looks like it just did it pre-market, so keep an eye on that one. WRD looks like it's definitely putting in a bottom base down here. AISP, okay, this is one had earnings, looking for a break of that after earnings high. There would be 448 would be the trigger there in AISP. And then the last one on the list is Tesla. Tesla, much like the market, is not pulling back. Okay, and so thought it may pull back to the 330 yesterday. Could not do that. So been in this one for a while, looking to add above 350. So 350.01, that's that high right there, would be the trigger in that one, because if it gets through that, I think we could have a quick push to the 370 range. So not today, but over the next few days. All right, guys. Have a good one. Keep it tight. Have a great weekend. I'll talk to you next week. Bye-bye.